Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have ARPA Chain, ARPA Daily Update. We are going to see the next price targets as we had this massive crash in the 4-hour frame. Look at that right here, minus 27%. It is amazing what an altcoin can do, right? And this is why you always need to set stop losses. You might be having like 10,000 or 15,000 inside ARPA chain, and you might have long positions right here. So putting a stop loss would save you. Yes, you would lose many things, but right there it would save you from the minus 27% correction. Right here we want to see what is next for ARPA chain. Where can we go? What are the next price targets? As you can see, we talked about in the previous video that 0.1238 0.12038 would be the major resistance level that we need to close above in order to enter a long position. You can see that we closed below this target, and this was a clear fake out, plus 14%, even higher, but we didn't close above, and this signaled the huge downtrend that ARPA chain had. Into the daily frame, it is looking like this. Look at that, minus 23%, getting rejected from the 0.12. So I'm guessing all of you would ask me the same thing. Bill, what are the next support levels and where is ARPA chain going to have a buying pressure, right? And I'm here to answer that. Of course, you can join our monthly subscription, 7 days free trial on the third tier, and join us. You won't regret it. If you regret, you can cancel anytime you like. Let's go right now to see the exact support levels for ARPA chain. So right here, 0.108494 is the first support level. You remember that we talked about that we need to hold the 0.1097. Of course, you can see into the 1 hour frame, we never hold this as a support level. And therefore, this is the reason that we go further down and down. Right now, into the 4-hour frame, we still have the 0.108494 serving as a support level since we crossed it down, but we never closed below. If we close below this target right here, then the next target, I'm afraid, it is the 0.107595. There we could be having some good buying pressure. Okay, you could see ARPA chain going a little bit further higher. Okay. Probably, if we have a buying pressure around here, we would meet the 0.1085. All right, so a price potential is that we go to the 0.1076 and then from there we go to the 1.1085. In the meantime, closing below the 0.1075, 95 to 76 will get us all the way down to the 0.1068. So these are for now have 1, 2, the second one being the most important support level, and the third one is the 0.106804, in which if we go there, I will be making another update because right now you can see that many things can change pretty fast. So expect for ARPA chain that if we hold this support level, for example, we go and have a buying pressure maybe towards the 0.1084. If we hold the 0.1068, we go and have a buying pressure towards the 0.1076. This is what it is going to happen. And if we are able to close above the 0.1076, we will go higher. But at the end of the day, I think that with this huge correction that ARPA chain had, I think that the most possible scenario is to have a lower low, lower high pattern, seeing the thing right here that we had a crazily huge risk, 92 on the RSI. I've always talked about it. Whenever you see above the 80s on the RSI in the daily frame, then what you need to do, it is simply you need to short. And of course we have the 0.1068 in which the 20-day MA is lying right here. So this is another very important support level for ARPA chain. The buying pressure will not be something significant, but these are the support levels that you have to pay attention to, starting with the first one. We know that this is a huge correction. We know that, of course, we talked about that if we do not close above, we would go down. Right now, we are focusing on the support levels and what these can bring into the table. Expect though, as I've talked about it, expect a lower low, lower high pattern in the 4-hour frame, in the lower time frames, and we will see what it will bring into the table for the daily frame as well. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day and see you soon. Bye.